In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts SCTR Ranking. SCTR stands for StockCharts Technical Rank, a 0 to 100 score that compares a symbol's technical strength to others in the same group. Higher scores point to relative leadership, lower scores point to underperformance. It's a quick way to screen for potential opportunities, then you can drill into the charts to confirm the setup. First, let's find the tool. On StockCharts.com, go to Market Analysis, open Research Tools, and select SCTR Reports. You'll see a ranked table you can filter and sort. If you use the dashboard, the SCTR panel with top 10 lists is a handy shortcut. From either place, clicking a symbol opens its chart immediately, so you can move from list to analysis in one click. Start by picking a universe. At the top of the SCTR report, choose the category that matches your focus, such as US Large Cap, US Mid Cap, US Small Cap, US ETFs, and others. This keeps the comparisons apples to apples, because each symbol is ranked against true peers. Next, sort by SCTR. Click the SCTR column header to rank the list. Sorting from highest to lowest brings the strongest names to the top. Reversing it surfaces the weakest. Use descending order to find leadership. Use ascending to hunt for potential laggards that may interest contrarian strategies. Then, interpret the ranks. As a guideline, readings above about 60 to 70 indicate relative strength, and above 80 signal high technical strength and persistent leadership. Conversely, readings below roughly 40 point to relative weakness. Treat these as zones rather than hard lines, and always consider the broader market and sector context. When something catches your eye, open the chart directly from the report by clicking its ticker. Confirm the story behind the number. Check that the trend is up, pullbacks are finding support, and breakouts are holding. Map key support and resistance. Note how price behaves around major moving averages or trend lines, and check whether volume and momentum agree with the SCTR reading. If a high-ranked name shows distribution or failed breakouts, be selective. If a low-ranked name is basing and improving, it may be one to watch. Use this flow every time. Find SCTR. Choose the right universe, sort by the SCTR column, and verify your candidates on the charts. SCTR helps you focus quickly, while the charts provide the confirmation you need.